So this, my cat was actually caught out in it. She's holding right up now. This is what it's like getting caught in a serious rainstorm in New England. Yes. And that's just coming in off the awning. Fish like it. This is what you call serious rain. And it came on so fast I didn't get my cushions out. It's going to take them a little bit to dry. This is what you call a serious rainstorm. I would say it's raining pretty heavy. What do you think, fishies? Most of the awning's over it, so it gets a little bit. Still. What? Let's slow down. Sun's out. Sun's out. Yeah. For the crazy rainstorm. That's what you call pouring rain. Pouring rain. Lightening up. Now it's going to come to an end. Crazy rainstorms in New England. Wash the place off. Crazy rainstorms in New England. What do you think, fishies? Huh? You like it?